Welcome to ERi-TV, dear viewers. This is English news broadcast for this hour with me, Bersa Batakhle. Coming up are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations continue. Diaspora nationals celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Tornadoes and storms in U.S. leave 19 people dead. Fire at an Indian children's hospital kills 6 newborn babies. On your domestic reports, heads of state and government from Kenya, Sri Lanka, Portugal and Ireland have extended their congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of the 33rd Independence Day anniversary. President William Ruto of the Republic of Kenya, President Ranil Wickremesinghe of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, President Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa of the Portuguese Republic, and President Michael Higgins of Ireland expressed their well wishes for good health to President Isaias Afwerki, as well as peace and prosperity for the Eritrean people. They also conveyed their readiness to enhance strong ties and mutual cooperation with Eritrea. In his message, President William Ruto said that Kenya applauds the achievements of this milestone, which has been reached through the concerted and commendable efforts of the government and people of Eritrea. President Ruto also expressed confidence that Kenya and Eritrea will continue working together in the promotion of peace, stability and development in the region and the continent, as well as bolster bilateral cooperation between the two countries in areas of mutual interest. The 33rd Independence Day anniversary was colorfully celebrated by nationals in Kenya, Australia and New Zealand, Lebanon, the Netherlands, Italy, South Africa, the US and France under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience. At the celebratory event in Nairobi, which included invited guests and members of the diplomatic community, Mr. Bayene Rusom, Eritrea's ambassador to Kenya, and Mr. Dawit Hagos, acting chairman of the Eritrean community, emphasized that independence is a gift of our martyrs to the Eritrean people and called for its preservation. At the event, Ambassador Dennis Muburu, Director of the African Union at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Kenya, congratulated the people and government of Eritrea and highlighted that strengthening relations between Eritrea and Kenya benefits both countries and beyond. Similarly, nationals in Melbourne, Australia, celebrated the Independence Day anniversary on 24 May, featuring various programs depicting the day and their attachment to their homeland. Celebratory events were also organized in the Australian cities of Perth, Adelaide, Hobart and Brisbane, as well as in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking at the occasion in Melbourne, Mr. Mahari Tahaste, Eritrea's Consul General in Australia, congratulated the people and government of Eritrea and called on nationals to strengthen their organizational capacity and participation in national affairs. At the event in Brisbane, representatives of Sudan, South Sudan, Somali communities and other African countries delivered messages of solidarity. The 33rd Independence Day anniversary celebration in Lebanon featured cultural and artistic programs and narrations highlighting the resilience of the Eritrean people against external hostilities. Eritrean nationals in Dutch cities of Amsterdam, Amstelveen, Haarlem and Amersfoort also celebrated the anniversary. At this event, Mr. Kibra'ab Tawalde, Head of Consular Affairs, and Mr. Isa Minase, Head of Public and Community Affairs, called on nationals to strengthen unity and participate in national development programs. At the celebratory event in Rome, Italy, Mr. Fissahatian Petros, Eritrea's ambassador to Italy, stated that the independent political choice of Eritrea was the outcome of the strong resilience and sacrifice of the Eritrean people. He also emphasized that the government of Eritrea will work with societies that recognize the stance and vision of the country. Similarly, events were conducted in the Italian cities of Bologna, Bari, Abruzzo and Catania. Nationals in the U.S. cities of San Diego, Columbus, Ohio, and Atlanta enthusiastically celebrated the 33rd Independence anniversary, featuring various programs. The events were attended by numerous nationals residing in those cities and friends of Eritrea. A statement from the Eritrea embassy was also presented at the events. Nationals in the city of Nantes, France, also colorfully celebrated the 33rd Independence Day anniversary, featuring various programs depicting the day. On your last local report, the residents of Ashara administrative area in Haga subzone expressed that the social service provision institutions in their area are significantly contributing to the improvement of their livelihoods. They noted that the educational and health facilities in their area are providing basic services to the public and expressed readiness to strengthen their participation for their sustainability. Mr. Burhan Fissaha, director of the Ashara Elementary and Junior School, stated that the administrative area includes a kindergarten in Ashara, an elementary school in Karot Najar, and an elementary and junior school in Ashara, all providing active educational services to students. He also mentioned that student school enrollment, especially that of the female students, is encouraging. Assistant Nurse Isaias Debesai, head of Ashara Health Station, said that the health station is significantly contributing to the health awareness of the residents. He noted that due to steady awareness-raising activities, the prevalence of communicable diseases is significantly declining, and the number of pregnant women delivering at the health station is increasing over time. The residents of Ashara administrative area have become beneficiaries of educational, health, electricity services and potable water supply, among others. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. At least 19 people were killed as tornadoes and storms tore across 4 U.S. states, destroying homes and cutting power to hundreds of thousands. 7 people were killed in northern Texas, 8 in Arkansas, 2 in Oklahoma, and 2 in Kentucky. As per reports, more were injured in winds reaching 135 meters per hour, and almost 500,000 people were left without electricity across several states on Sunday. Texas Governor Greg Abbott said more than a third of all counties in his state were now subject to a disaster declaration. Footage from the county showed a patrol station and a rest stop almost completely destroyed, with twisted metal littered over damaged vehicles. On today's final report, at least 6 newborn babies died in a fire at a children's hospital in the Indian capital of New Delhi on Saturday, local officials reported. According to further reports, 12 newborns were rescued from the hospital, but 6 died in the fire. One of the rescued babies is in a serious condition, and 5 others are receiving medical attention. As per reports, the rescued babies have not been identified as authorities have not yet found their birth records. Delhi Fire Services said it received a call at 11:32 p.m. local time, and 9 fire trucks were rushed to the site. The fire, according to Delhi Fire Services, started in a neighboring building, but the exact cause of the fire is yet to be investigated. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations continue. Diaspora nationals celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Tornadoes and storms in U.S. leave 19 people dead. And fire at India Children's Hospital kills 6 newborn babies. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.